this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 8.8-inch screen, Android screen, in a 2018 Audi A3. As you can see, the unit is installed and it's 8.8-inch. That's how it fits. So technically, whatever you had on factory MMI, it works same as before. The knob works same as before too. Also, the knob can work with the aftermarket unit too. And by going to original, it shifts back to the factory MMI. And by touching the screen, you can go to the aftermarket mode. And it reads some information like from OBD, like RPM, speed of the car, how much gas left in the tank, all those type of things. And with back button you can go back to the menu, and you can go to the apps. You can use online maps and offline maps. We can add backup camera to it. If it has camera, the car, it retains the backup camera. Just turning on the car to show you the backup camera. By going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera, and it comes with dynamic parking guidelines. As you can see, as I'm turning the steering wheel, the dynamic parking guideline turns too. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day. By the way, I forgot to explain that the screen is fully touch too.